What's good, everyone? This is Double Up with Astro, and today, what I'm saying, first I would like to say I thank y'all for watching this video. Today I'm going to, show you a little site that I use to help me market my business. I've been using it for about a few months now, and it's very, very helpful. When you are trying to do your online marketing and try to get exposure, because you want to get lots of eyeballs on your opportunity and lots of leads. And sometimes it's you may not be able to afford any type of paid traffic. Most time when you're a beginner, you don't have the funds to actually put down for paid traffic, so that way you can build your business a little bit more faster. But this particular platform is called Herculist Plus. Before I didn't know what it was. I kind of stumbled over it quite some time, but it was a friend of mine. He had referred me to this platform, and he let me know what it was about, and I got more deep in detail on how to really use it. And it's very, very it's very, very popular, and you could do incredible things on here. And one of the main things that I like, I'm gonna go over some of that's here in the back office that you see. One of the things that I do like is that you can send thousands of emails a day, and these are basically safe lists. In classifies. And what are safe lists? They pretty much you get lots of emails from people, and y'all basically sharing content with each other. If you see and view their content, they'll perhaps come and see your content. So y'all basically it's more so traffic exchange, if I may say. So y'all exchanging traffic. You seeing their traffic, they're seeing yours. You see their opportunity, they see yours. So that's how the game works. So by you using Herculist, you could be able to show your opportunity to thousands and thousands of members that's a part of this program, and they can in turn do yours as in return. So you could get started today for free, but I advise you to get upgrade to the gold membership, because with free you can go over and you can view I think it's like 15, 20, 20 seconds or something like that. I'll show you. It's one tab called the zone, and here in the zone, sometimes you got to get a little time. See, right here is an ad. So this is a prime ad, and this is somebody's opportunity. As you can see, is pulling up right here. So I'm gonna go straight to the zone so I can show you. Now you see this timer right here. This will allow you to check out other people's opportunities, and you get credits for every time that you view someone's opportunity. Usually it's 35 credits if you're a gold member, but I believe it's 5 credits or 10, one of them, if you're a free member. But you just keep on clicking and see the timer goes down, and it's only 5 seconds because I'm a gold member. So if you would like to upgrade, you just hit that upgrade button right there. So yes, so you just keep on clicking, and then you can check out for your stats right here as you click each ad. And you can see right here, you can promote your opportunity right there so other people can see it. And then you see it says right here, views received, views earned today, total views earned, and pending views. So these are the amount of views that will see your opportunity. So you want to keep on going to the zone and keep on clicking on those different types of ads. And these are ads that people post up daily. So these other marketers, they have their little opportunities that they post, and you can also check out if you want to. I'm gonna go back home so you can check, so I can show you other things. They also have Herc Blurb, where you could be able to put your opportunity, and you get to use, when you get your credits, as you submit, you can submit a blurb, and it can show your opportunity, and like right here, like as you can see people doing right here, you could definitely do the same. And you can use you can buy keys for a price, so you can be able to unlock to send certain things that you need to send as far as your opportunity goes. It shows you how much credits that you currently have. Like I showed you in the prime zone, every time you look at a view, you get a certain amount of credits added, and you could be able to use these credits to be able to send out mailers. So that's one incredible way that that you can get your opportunity out, and for a cheaper price too. It's a one-time fee for I believe it's $39 or it might be $49 to get in the gold membership, the lifetime gold membership, to unlock that. So I'm gonna show you. Right here. If they pull it up, sometimes, each time they're gonna show other people's ads. You also have Prime ads where, when people log in to Herculist, they'll see your opportunity on the front page. So that's one way you can get traffic too. You can check out right here how to get traffic. You click on that tab right there. You got monster blurs, you can see, to a larger list. It's $49 to upgrade. So, it's a one-time fee. You don't have to worry about paying any monthly fees on that. Then they got one called Traffic Bomb, where they place your ad for $39. They place your ad for 3 hours. That you'll get seen. Your ad will get seen by a lot of users on here. And I believe if you pay for the $69, they see it for 6 hours. So Traffic Bomb is a good marketing tool that you can use as well. And they also have solo specials. You can earn credits right here. You can get into the affiliate marketing program, where you could be able to use your your link, and you could sell different types of your page to people, so you can get more traffic. You get more sales. I think it's 50% once you're a gold member of commissions that you get. So that's very, very useful. So here with Herculist, like I said before, it's a traffic exchange platform, and I love it. It helps me very, very well. I used it for quite some time. I think like I said before, for several months. You can check out here in the back office if you have any questions. You can always contact me if you'd like to get started. The link in the description will be below. I do have other marketing strategies that I also use that don't require a large amounts of money to invest in order to build traffic to your opportunity. You can check that out also in the link in the description below. Also check out more videos, tips and strategies that I use to market my business. I'm in several different opportunities that help me out. So pretty much, everything else is self-explanatory. You just check out everything and look through it. They also have tutorial videos that can help you guys, with using this platform. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching Double O with Astro. I'll catch y'all in the next video.